What's up you guys, and welcome to today's video. Today we have a special unboxing of the iPhone 16 Pro Max. Alright guys, so let's not waste any more time and let's get right into it. So here we have the new Desert Titanium. Then we also have the denim case, which was $49, the silicone case. But let's not waste any time and let's get right into the action here. So here is the iPhone 16 Pro Max. When you get it straight out of the box. So when you get it, you're gonna have two tabs right here. So we're just gonna go ahead and peel those off. Alrighty, turn it around. And here it is. Oh, it's actually, I'm sure in the video it's not doing it any justice, but it's like a nice gold color. It's not like too goldy. It's not like a rose gold, but it actually does look really nice, I have to admit. Comparing it to the titanium, I guess you can kind of see the color difference there. But nonetheless, let's go ahead and have a little tab right here on the bottom. Peel that off. Let's go ahead and power it on. All right, so we're here. I have to say, is this display bigger? Oh, actually, yeah, it is. At first glance, you might not be able to notice, but yeah, it is definitely bigger. I mean, obviously, this new 16 Pro Max has a 6.9 compared to the 6.8 from last year, but overall, it looks good. I'm kind of glad I went with this colorway, if I'm being honest with you guys. Let's go ahead and unlock it. Set this up real quick. It's asking me to do a quick start. I'm just gonna fly through this so I can show you guys the end product. I'm just logged into the Wi-Fi, but ooh, I have to say it does look really good. I'm not one that usually goes for a gold color, but this Desert Titanium is really nice. So we're just gonna go ahead and, you know, just do all this stuff, set up Face ID. Just gonna hit agree. But yeah guys, it definitely feels, you know, like a bigger phone. I'm being honest, it definitely feels like a bigger phone. A tad taller. The bezels definitely feel smaller on this one. You know what I was noticing right now though? It's like, I don't know if maybe noticing though, that this is the old 15 Pro Max. I took off the case and I noticed this here. And like, look at the new one, like, was Apple planning this all along? You know what I mean? Like you see, this is the old, this is the new. Like, were they planning on this? Maybe they knew what they were doing a year in advance. Alrighty, it's gonna continue. It's on silent mode. So obviously we still have the great old action button right over here. Volume up, volume down. We'll customize that later. Camera controls. So click camera controls to open camera. So obviously this right here is the new camera control that, you know, Apple was going crazy about. We'll set up Siri later. Continue. Welcome to iPhone. Okay, so we're finally in. So let's go ahead and see, like, press it and then the camera comes up. So let's see if we click on it. Okay, so you click on it, it says, takes a picture. Okay, you click on it. So you click on it and it starts recording. And I don't know if you guys were able to see that, but right here, you can zoom in and zoom out. Honestly, I have to say that maybe on the smaller phone it'll feel a little bit better, but on the big phone maybe they should have put it just a tad bit higher, because like when you go here to use it, you have to like come all the way down here, which feels kind of unnatural. and especially with it being a big phone, like your phone could tip over. But I mean, I guess I could see what they were, you know, saying, and I guess we have to respect, you know, what they were doing. Yeah, obviously it's a little bit of a bigger phone, so there's definitely a little bit more weight to it. But yeah guys, so like I stated on this new, so this is a 256 gigabyte model, and it weighs 227 grams. The display is 6.9, so it's 1000 nits max brightness, and it's a 1600 nits peak brightness. So yeah guys, so the battery size on this new 16 Pro Max is 4685 milliamp battery. They're saying it should be better than the one from the 15 Pro Max, so we'll have to test that and see. But honestly speaking, I have to say that in first impressions, everything looks really good. And then now this is all you get on the box, just the cable, which pretty unfortunate if you ask me. Now the price for this phone is $1,199, so it'll definitely be a pretty penny if you ask me. Let's see what how it compares to the S24 Ultra. So they're like, honestly, like right there. They're like holding them hand to hand. They're right there. It's just that this is more edged up, this is more squared. So that's definitely something to keep in mind. But no, I'm actually really excited to see how this phone does in the real world, and maybe go back to iPhone. I've been using Android for the last 3 to 4 months. So yeah guys, and all you do get in the box is just your cable and just this sticker that says iPhone on it. But let's also check out the case. So here's the case. You have a tab right here. Obviously you want to keep this phone protected. Let's see how it looks with the case. Oh yeah, it looks great with the case. Feels nice and sturdy. I like that color combination. And now if you look, the cases have a little button here for the cameras. But you guys, honestly, I think that's where I'm gonna wrap it up. This is just an unboxing of this phone. I'll be doing a full review on this phone as well, and keep your eyes open for the Pixel 9 Pro XL and the 9 Pro Fold. Those reviews will be coming out soon. But yeah guys, this has been the unboxing of the Desert Titanium, the iPhone 16 Pro. So I'll just leave it up here. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.